Hello, fellow chopsters from Chappie Solutions. Today we're going to be talking about another episode of Chappie Cloud. So we have brought to you a new interface, a new look. We've discussed before, we are AI-powered communication and collaboration platform. So right now, for you to install the desktop version, we've already provided it at this section. So you can head here to install whether for your Windows or for your MacBook. And if you prefer to use the web, you can go forward. So today we're going to use the desktop application so that we can um, see and look through how we can use the backup system for Chappie Cloud. So I've already have the desktop open and I'm already logged in. So we're gonna head into the sidebar. At this section, we are going to head to the cloud page, the cloud page. Okay. So once you've clicked, you're gonna be shown this dashboard page. But for today, we're going to go through the backup system. So of course, you can check each page out, what it can do, or in our next episode, we're gonna diving more into these functionalities. So for those who want to back up their system, the first thing you should do is make sure you have the desktop application installed, just like I mentioned ahead. So we're going to head into computers. So in your computers is where you are going to connect your system to the desktop. So first thing you're going to do is click Add New Computer. So straightforward, it will be able to understand what system you're on and it will give you the details. So now all we have to do is select which folder we wish to backup. So I'm going to select this backup 2024 that contains various files and documents. So I'm going to select that and we're going to click Add Computer. Let's give that a few seconds. Oh, very quick. So we're going to then head in. As you guys can see, the name of my current system is here. You can rename it if you wish to. Just right click and click rename. You can share it if you will, if you wish to. You can share it with members, but I'm not going to share today. You can also share your computers with other members. So by clicking share, you'll be able to share it with other members in your cloud space. Cloud space is basically a section in your cloud where you invite members. And those who have approved, you'll be able to share your cloud files, storage, computers, and many more with them. So we're going to go through this. There's a lot of details which you can see. I created this, meaning if there are others in your computers, you'll be able to see who created it and when last modified. So we're going to head into here. There's nothing inside. And the first thing we can see is an empty folder. So yes, here we have many options, whether you want to see everything, files, folders, view types. Um, we have a chat system coming soon, but we're not going to talk about that today. And on the left side, we have the search, file types, and time, basically. So today we're going to basically back up, isn't it? So once you click the backup, the first thing you will see is this interface. So you can see how much storage has been used. We're going to talk more about that, where you can buy more storage and so on. You can see that we're using the MacBook Pro, the computer ID. So every computer is very unique. Every computer has the unique ID. The folder that we wanted to back up, if I click on it, what happens is going to show me um, the folder. Although we're not supposed to be backing up the doc folder. I think I made a mistake there. So we are going to head back. We're going to, for instance, delete. Yes, so it's very easy to delete. Once you delete, let's say you backed up a whole, I don't know, system and you wish to delete it, it will automatically delete all the files At Chappie Solution, we make sure this is very important for our clients, for our users, that all your files are secured and are deleted as you wish. So I'm going to redo because I selected a doc, so it selected that path. But initially, we should be selecting this. So it's very important that you pick the right root path for your folder, and then we click add. All right. So just like that, we've already recreated it, quick, fast, and simple. And we're gonna click this icon. And now we can see if we click the folder path once more, it's going to take us here. All right, that's about that. We're going to start synchronizing, of course. So we can see the synchronize button. We can also make changes. For instance, what time of the day we want to do schedules. Um, right now over here it is 7:42 a.m. So you could put it at 8 a.m. You could put it at 12 p.m. anytime that you wish. 5 p.m. maybe after almost work day almost done. So you click Save Changes and quick and simple. But for today, we're going to synchronize our current folder so that we can have it in the cloud. All it takes is just a click. And just like that, by clicking synchronize, it's reading the system, it's syncing. Let's give it a couple of minutes and it should be done. While waiting, we can actually also skip ahead and go do other things, go check other files, refresh the pages. As you can see, the files are already being backed up one by one. Um, we can go back to check what's the status. Is it still synchronizing, syncing? I think it's done. Wow. So as you can see, our last run was today, October, Wednesday, 2024 at 7:43 a.m., which is exactly just a minute ago. And we've already backed up an entire folder and subfolders with different files. So we're going to check them out. Let's check them out. All right. So we can see that these are all the files that we have. Okay. And if we look inside, we also have everything. And if we go more, and we have everything, we can do comparison um, with what we have in on our system. So let's okay, let's go to desktop. We're gonna put back this back here. We're going to do some comparison. We're going to go back here, and we're going to show this. So we're in backup 2024. We can see that inside this folder itself, we have the 2025 AI, which is same thing here, which has its own files. As you can see, we have already a size. We have one, two, three, four, five, six files in here. So we have the same one, two, three, four, five, six. So if we go into the 2025, we have a doc and two files. So let's check that out. Exactly same thing. All right, but seems the Excel didn't go through. So maybe still being backed up, or maybe there's an issue. That one needs to be checked. But overall, most of it went through. So there are certain file types that you might need to, we're still checking, we're looking through, and we are going to allow to be uploaded soon. So going back, all right. So overall, we can say 99% of all data were backed up. Um, let's check each one of them. So at Chappie Cloud, we also offer online editing. So we're going to check the PDF. Everything is secured. So this is a whole PDF I got online just to understand what's going on in the AI world. So you could, you know, do your research here. Let's check more. Um, if you're into viewing your images, you can do the same. So you can swipe to look. Very nice. All right, let's close this. If you want to open the Excel, you can also view the Excel and edit it. So it's going to load. Yes. So you can play around with the Excel, you can make sheets, you can do whatever that you will. So going back, we're going to go into the 2025 AI. I guess this is another image which we can look. Yes. So you can exact same thing on the laptop, on the desktop. So if we go into the doc, and this is just an online sample doc file, we're going to click it. So it's going to load everything, making sure everything is well maintained. As you can see, snappy, quick, everything is properly arranged. You can make some edit. Hello there. And we are saving real time in real time. So as you're typing, the data is being saved. So if you have a work colleague or friend that you've shared the file with, so they can also see the update on their side. So just like how you can share a computer or a folder, you can also share a file the same way. So by sharing, you will know who has access to your file, who is doing what, who made the last update, and things like that. So overall, this is all for about Chappie Cloud computers backup system. So if you want to use this system, please head to the website page and download the desktop application. Sign in very quick, same as the web. So if you want to go to the web and use the same, you can, but most backup functionalities are in the desktop. So we prefer that you use the desktop for your backup. But if you just want to edit and view things, you can also do the same thing from the web. So that's all about Chappy Solutions. We have more coming in the next episodes, and we are going to look more into it together. So thank you, Chapsters, fellow Chappy Solutions, and that's all for me. Thank you.